Hi, good day, Ma'am Mona Lisa Vital. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day, ma'am. I'm Mona Lisa Vital, uh, from Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I'm never married. I have two kids, 17 and 2 years old.
All right, thank you. Then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have three brothers and three sisters.
All right. And then, how would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, loyal, caring, and a happy person.
Okay. So, may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to go abroad to support my kids and support my mother.
All right. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in Taiwan for caretaker. Uh, I take her grandpa for 6 years. Grandpa is 85 years old and he has asthma.
All
And
right.
then yes, I work to grandpa for almost 6 years. Then I have experienced another grandma in Taiwan for 5 months. But she is passed away already.
Okay. So, did you finish your contract in Taiwan?
Yes, I
All right.
finished.
So, do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines as helper?
Yes, when I back home in Philippines in December 2020, I work in helper for January 2021 to February 2023.
All right. So, can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
Yes, I'm cooking. I do laundry, uh, cleaning the house, take care of the baby.
All right, thank you. Then, are you willing to take care again of newborn baby, elderly person abroad?
Yes, I'm willing.
All right. So, what will you do if you become homesick?
I make myself busy at work.
All right. So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
I'm not scared.
Okay. So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I yes, I cook Filipino dish like sinigang, adobo or nilaga, and then um I cook Chinese food like vegetables and steam fish or steam meat.
All right. So, are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No.
Okay. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, I
Okay.
have.
So, do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. So, do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, I have.
Okay, good. So, do you drink alcohol?
No.
Okay. So, how about smoking?
What, ma'am?
How about smoking?
No, I don't smoke.
All right. So, do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have. I have on my back and then in my arm like this.
All right, thank you. And then, do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No.
Okay. So, are you willing to share room with the children?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. So, are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, I'm willing.
All right. For the last question, Ma'am Mona Lisa, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Yes, madam, sir. Uh, Uh, I hope to see you soon. Um, Hi, Madam, Sir. I'm Mona Lisa Vital. I'm 38 years old. I'm honest, loyal, caring, and loving mother. Please hire me. I'll do all my best to work on you. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.